Hi guys, Jonathan here, and it is 7 days after my hair transplant. The first week's gone really quick. Still find myself looking in the mirror and smiling at the new hairline, new hair, which is really cool. In terms of how the first week has gone, first couple of days I was around the house. By day 4 I was back to work. Day 5 I was catching up with friends for dinner. And getting back and doing the normal stuff that I would always have done, which was really interesting. Obviously I'm not exercising, lifting heavy things and stuff like that, but all the normal stuff I'd usually do, I'm doing now. In terms of how the hairs are sitting in there, got the final little bits of scabbing just coming off now, so that's pretty much done. In terms of round the back, that has completely healed, and I can't, or none of my friends and family can tell that anything has been taken out of the back there, which is amazing. To have that with no sign of it. So in terms of the pain level or discomfort, I haven't taken any Panadol or medication since I left DHI. And that is, in terms of my expectations of how the first week went, I knew it was going to be less recovery than others, but I did not expect to get back to pretty much normal life so quickly. So that's, the first week's been great. Had my 7-day or first week follow-up with DHI today. Everything's on track, and that went really well. So super happy, and I'll talk to you guys soon.